we are about to complete the Mandalorian suit. It's just a few parts away for the complete step-by-step suit up video. But before that, now I am going to show you how I make these important props that you should not forget to include in your Mandalorian cosplay. The Mandalorian Grav charges. What I did here is I used the roll-on ball of a deodorant bottle that I experimented already with a candy red paint. Now, fold a 4mm thick foam like this. Best way to hold it is by using a super glue to create this round edge of the Grav charges. Okay, I know that the actual props of the Grav charges are not exactly the shape of these roll-on balls, but being a resourceful guy, I see these roll-on balls are the closest and the best dome shape that I could get and needed for the props. Now, let's make the first layer wall of the prop. Then, close the bottom part using a 4mm thick EVA foam. Now, create the lower outside wall of the prop or the base, hiding the seam of the bottom cover. Now, for the ribbed base of the prop, make sure to measure and divide them properly before making the ribs by melting the foam using a soldering rod. And of course, you cannot have a Grav charges without making the 3-compartment holster. This part here is the base plate of the holster. And then we have here are the Grav charges catcher to keep the props in place. Then, I am using a synthetic upholstery brown leather and a contact cement to cover the front side of the compartment holster. Test the Grav charges first, but do not glue the upholstered front side of the base plate, because you need to paint the base plate first. Now, it's time to paint. Just use an acrylic emulsion to seal the foam first. And then, start painting. Now the base holster is already painted. Assembly is just easy. Primer paint for the main props, then spray it by using chrome paint or silver paint. Then for the final touch, I am using a candy sparkling red on the center of the props. There you have it, the Mandalorian Grav charges. You can glue them permanently if you want to, since you just want to showcase that you have the prop for your Mandalorian suit. I hope you like this video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe for more creative content. Thank you for your support.